Hello, my little friends. I'm Quanitah, and welcome to our magical story time. Quanitah walked through the beautiful garden, quietly wondering if an animal could ever become her special friend. On her way home, Quanitah smiled and thought, maybe one day my little wish will come true. That night, Quanitah fell asleep smiling. Suddenly, she entered a magical dream and saw a beautiful talking cat. The next morning, Quanitah excitedly told her friends about the magical cat she had seen in her dream. After a month, Quanitah sadly thought, maybe talking cats don't really exist after all. Quanitah opened her eyes and found a brown and white cat beside her. Could this be a dream? Coco led Quanitah to his cozy little home, hidden among the flowers. She smiled in wonder at his adorable house. To his cozy little home, hidden among the flowers. She smiled with wonder at his adorable house. Coco showed Quanitah his cozy little room. She looked around in amazement at his tiny bed and colorful toys. Quanitah and Coco played happily in the park. As the sun began to set, they looked at each other and smiled, grateful for their beautiful friendship.